In sitting, alternative straight leg liftings. So no 0, no 90. In between 10 to 60, 60 to 10. Don't bend your knees, don't bend your legs. Always kneecap should be tightened. Mokal cheppu gattiga biginchali. Ready. Both elbow down to back side. Lips close. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sitting position. Sit in Vajrasana. Next.